Who do you think this guy is?
Oh, I think it's a gangster man.
How can I say? Like rings.
Yes.
Yes?
He actually wears rings. Yeah.
Oh,
जी भाई शहबाज शरीफ ये आपको चूज करती हैं. This is not me. No. भाई साहब समझ रहे हैं कि मैं हूँ जी बिलावल भुट्टो. वो मुझे बिलावल भुट्टो से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. Imagine there are only 3 men left in the world, okay? And you have to marry one.
Oh my
Which one of them would you choose to marry?
Okay, oh my goodness. In Português?
Caminhozinhos.
Ó. Agora é meio que vai apresentar, entendeu? Caminho.
Caminho.
Isso. Das Índias. Tá de parabéns, meu pretão.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm back with another fun video. आज मैं ब्राजीलियंस को हमारे कुछ फेमस